inya kamora mora ma intiere. Kawuono wadhi live to waonge ot. Today we're going live, but we are not in the house, so that's why I cannot make it. And I know that you've been waiting for the live stream, so I said, why not? So I've just looked for a parking space, and I will do questions and answers if there are. If there are no questions, there are no answers, then we'll just shut down the live stream and everybody continues with their life. Wawinjore uru. Nikki's here.
Hello.
She doesn't talk. She just hello. She's here. Koro kudwaro questions to penjo, and then we can move on. Now we are going on a trip. So in the Luo language, you'd say, "Wadhi e wuoth." Wadhi e wuoth sani. So that's what we are going on. We are going on a trip, and wadhi e wuoth. So we just said, why don't we just sit somewhere and just go live? And if we get one person who wants to ask a question, we are here. If you don't want to ask a question, we are not here. Ka udwaro to upenj maswali mondo wawinj ane ni en wach mane ma udwaro. Our video on Obuolo is doing very well. Kapok inene to dhi nene. The video on Obuolo, that is a shorts video. I've been trying to do shorts, and I don't know whether shorts will give us viewership, because our viewership is very low. We have viewerships of like 200 people, 500, 400, 150. So if you're joining us, we are live, and today we are not in the house. So if you have questions, please let us know the questions. If you have answers to questions, if you have video ideas, please let us know, because we are looking for video ideas too. As we wait, meanwhile, I will give you the, I don't know if I can give you the whatever song out here. We are here in a forest. This place is, I don't know how you call it. This is like in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know whether the network is on. I don't even know whether you can hear me. So if you can hear me, say on the chat so that I can see here. Because this place is crazy. But these are question and answer sessions, so if you have questions, just put them in there and I'll try to answer. I hope that this thing works. Oh, all messages are visible. Okay. All right. So as usual, if you're just joining me today, we are not live in the house because we had to travel, and we are not yet there, but it's about 11 o'clock. So I said, why don't we do a live stream to say that we are not going to be live? You know what I mean? So this live stream is to tell you that we are not going to be live. The usual way, that is. And Nikki is here with the corona. I knew it. Says unable to connect at this moment. I don't know whether you can now see us. Inyalo nenowa. Tararara, tara, 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 tararara. This is nice. So this was just a trial to see whether we can go live, and it seems to be working, but we don't have anybody to talk to us. So we shall just stop here. At least now this shows you where we are. We are in the middle of nowhere. I don't want to show you the outside. Someone might arrest me. Then we shall come back. When I come back home, I will go live again. Okay. Have a great one, and continue doing what you're doing.
Bye.
If it's a good thing. Okay.